Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Mary Kay here. Today guys, I'm going to do April's unboxing of BoxyCharm. I have the base box here. If you're not familiar with BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription of makeup, primarily makeup. I think they might have skincare, hair care, other products, but I think it's primarily beauty makeup related. So this is the base box. It's $25 a month. They also have a premium box that's $10 more. It's $35 a month. And then I believe they have a Luxy BoxyCharm that's like a quarterly subscription, and it's $50 a month. So this is my first time subscribing to BoxyCharm. I've actually subscribed to several subscription boxes over the past couple of weeks in quarantine here and everything. So I have been on like a shopping splurge, so stay tuned for more videos because I'm going to post all of my unboxings videos with you guys, and later on I'll let you know which ones that I'm going to keep and which ones that which subscriptions I'm not going to keep. So I was really excited today when I got to the mailbox and I saw that this was in my mailbox. So we're going to go ahead and get right to it, to unboxing my BoxyCharm box. Alright. Okay, so my first product that I got in this box is a QMS Intensive Eye Care Cream. So I really like this stuff. I've actually used it before, and I am like sleep deprived all the time because I'm a mom and stuff, so I stay busy all the time, so I'm always getting circles under my eyes. So I was excited about getting this product. They actually did not send me a card in this box. I kind of thought the card was a thing, so I guess maybe they forgot it or something. I don't know what happened with that. But so I did my own research on these products to try to come up with their what they go for on the websites and online, so I can try to see how much retail value of product that I got in my box. So when I researched this, I found that it retails for $38, so that's pretty good. $38 for some eye cream. Okay, the next product that I got was some Luxy eye brushes. I believe these are eye brushes. Please tell me if I'm wrong, because I could be wrong. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure they are. So these are Luxy Premium Synthetic Handcrafted Brushes. These look like some really nice brushes, guys. Alright, so my next product, and actually already used this, there's two of these in the box, but I already used one of them on my face. These are the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. This is awesome, guys. Like, I'm not a big skin mask person, or I didn't think I was anyways. My face feels so good, like so soft, and I love it. Okay, so these, from what I found online anyways, retail for about $12 a piece. So I'm gonna say this is like a $24 value because we got two of them. Okay, and then next I got Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint from Tarte. I've heard of this brand a lot. From what I hear, it's a really good brand. So I was excited about getting this product. Normally, guys, I'm not going to open the boxes until I open them with you guys, but I couldn't wait. I had to open it. Okay. This is Insta Famous, is the brand or the type of lip gloss. I'm going to try this out. Let's see. So it doesn't really do a whole lot for me, actually, on my lips. It doesn't really, I don't know. Oh well, it's cool. I like it. Let's see. This retails for $15 from what I could find online. So, not bad. Pretty good price, I guess. Alright, guys. The last product that I got in my box is this. And I really like this. I really do. This is my favorite product. It's an eye palette. This is Nightingale. I don't know how to pronounce that. By Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. I've never heard of this brand, but I looked them up online and they seem to be a pretty decent high-end brand. So I'm thinking this retails somewhere around $30. So it comes with these colors. It has a nice big mirror on top, so that's nice. I like that mirror and these pretty colors. I'm really like a browns kind of girl. Like I like the browns and whites eyeshadow. I like my basic neutral colors. I really like brights and mattes and stuff too, but I think these are my favorites, so I was really excited to get this in my box. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this. From what I could gather online, this is like a $110 value. I think they say that they try to send you I think it's $125 worth of product, or maybe $75. I'm not really sure about that. But, so yeah, guys, if you're interested in this subscription, you should check out their website and subscribe with them. But I was super happy with this box. I really, really like it. I think I'm going to try to get the premium box because I want more makeup. I really liked it. So guys, please stay tuned to see more videos. I'm going to be posting a lot of content over the next couple of weeks, like I said. Please comment below. Let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions, anything like that. If you want to see anything, let me know. I'm open to any type of subscription boxes that you think you might want to see on this channel. And if you could please think about subscribing to my channel, that would be awesome. Thanks, guys. Stay safe. Have a great day.